Okay, Okosha, can you tell me how was this call? What three things
Okay,
did
the
you
call.
learn from this call?
Oh, I learned so much. Number one, I learned how to get leads, which is using the word free.
Mhm.
And the next one, I learned also how to use the tripwire.
Mhm.
That is how to get the new leads to want to buy your product and want to know more about your product. And the last one also, I also learned how to actually keep your leads to become buyers and keep progressing with whatever products you have to put out.
Correct.
And it is really amazing. Thank you very much.
Exactly. So because thing is that you don't need new customers every time, right? If you have if you have 100 customers, you just need to keep giving more value to them to basically make more money, right? Like iPhone has its fixed brand customers, right? Those same people keep buying the same new upgraded iPhone every year. So they don't care about the new market. They have created their own, what is called as a blue ocean of their own customer pool. Okay. So thank you for giving me this amazing testimonial, Akosha. And